Hello everyone. I think you all are doing good. Today I am going to teach and I am going to continue your social science chapter number 2. That is India is our land, is our country. Okay. So we learned in the last class India is our land, is our country. You know, right? Bharata nama desha, Bharata nama bhumi. And what we learned, so there are so many locations in India, and we learned about the political divisions in India. So we learned locations as well as political divisions of India. So today what we are going to learn is, one is physical division. So physical divisions of India, and next is land of diversity. Land of diversity. What we are going to learn, one is physical division. So today we are going to learn what are all the physical divisions, how India is divided depending upon the physically. Physically India is how it has to be divided. And next is land of diversity. So as you all know, India is a land of diversity. Now India ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದೇಶ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಏಕತೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ದೇಶ. That we are going to learn today. So first we will see the physical divisions. Physical divisions of India. As we have already read in the chapter that India is a very big country. It has varied landforms also. The varied landforms are mountains, hills, plains, deserts, plateaus, coastal line, forest and icelands. Okay. What we learned already, right? India is a very big country and it's a very beautiful country. And today we are going to learn landforms of India. ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಭಾರತ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡವಾದಂತಹ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂತಹ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ಇದನ್ನು ಭೌತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ವಿಂಗಡಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಭಾರತದ ಭೂರೂಪಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಭೂರೂಪಗಳು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ India. So we can see the hills, mountains, rivers, so many things in India. What they have given? Hills, plains, desert. Plains means ಬಯಲುಗಳು. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಯಲುಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಪರ್ವತಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ನದಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಡನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. So India includes all things. Means India consists what are all India consists? India is consist of plateaus, ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿಗಳು, ಬಯಲು ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿಗಳು, ಕಾಡುಗಳನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ನಾವು ಭಾರತದ ಭೂರೂಪಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. We'll move to next. India is fortunate to have large rivers that flow through it and water the adjacent land. On the basis of varied landform, India can be divided into 6 main physical divisions. Okay, these are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains, the icelands. Okay, what we going to learn? So India is mainly physically divided into 6 groups. In that, first one is northern mountains. Northern mountains. So first one is northern mountains. So ಭಾರತವನ್ನು 6 ಮುಖ್ಯ ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ವಿಂಗಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಭೌತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಭಾರತವನ್ನು 6 ಮುಖ್ಯ ಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ವಿಂಗಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೊದಲನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಾರ್ಥನ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್, ಉತ್ತರದ ಪರ್ವತಗಳು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾರ್ಥನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್, ಉತ್ತರದ ಬಯಲುಗಳು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್. ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮರುಭೂಮಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮರುಭೂಮಿ. Fourth one is the southern plateau. The southern plateau. Southern plateau means ದಕ್ಷಿಣದ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿ. ದಕ್ಕನ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿ ಅಂತಾನು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. Next one is the Icelands. What I told, the island is the Iceland or island. Okay, so island is the last physical division. Okay, so first one what we are going to study is northern mountains in India. So this is Indian maps. Okay, here we can see the northern mountains in the north part of India. Okay, we can see the northern mountains in the north part of India. You know, right, the direction. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. And we can observe the northern mountains in the north part of India. So this is the first one. Okay, and second one is northern plains. Northern plains means ಉತ್ತರದ ಬಯಲುಗಳು, ಬಯಲು ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳು. So here we can see the northern plains also. Here we can see the northern plains in the north part of India. So second division is northern plains. First division is northern mountains. Second division is northern plains. So this is first, this is second one. Okay, northern mountains, northern plains. And the third one is the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert, ಮರುಭೂಮಿ, ಭಾರತದ ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶ. So ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು? We can see the desert of India in this part. We can see the desert of India in the west, means upper north side. Upper north side we can see the desert of India. Okay, so here we can find out the desert of India. ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. So this is the third one. Okay, next one is the southern plateau. The southern plateau means southernmost plateau. Plateau means ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿಗಳು. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿ ಕೂಡ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So here we can find out the Deccan Plateau, the southern plateau. So this is the fourth one. And next one is the coastal plains. Coastal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶ. So ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕರಾವಳಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. So this is the coastal plains. So ಕರಾವಳಿ ಬಯಲುಗಳು. So here in this side we can find the ಕರಾವಳಿ ಬಯಲುಗಳು, coastal plains, and also in this side also. You know, right? This side is covered by Arabian Sea. This side is covered by Arabian Sea. This side is covered by Bay of Bengal. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಗಾಳಕೊಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮುದ್ರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಬಿಯನ್ ಸಮುದ್ರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. Okay, so this is coastal plains. And the last one is the island or Iceland. Last one is the island of Iceland. So as I told in the last class, these are all the islands of India. So this is the Lakshadweep and this is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. This is Lakshadweep Island and this is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. What we learned, and tell you, there is a 6 divisions of India. India is divided physically by 6 divisions. First one is northern mountains. First one is northern mountains. So first one is northern mountains means ಉತ್ತರ ಭಾಗದ ಪರ್ವತಗಳು first, and second one is northern plains. Second one is northern plains, ಉತ್ತರ ಭಾಗದ ಬಯಲುಗಳು. Third one is Indian desert. Third one is Indian desert. So ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. And fourth one is the southern plateau. Southern Plateau. And fifth one is Southern Plateau means Deccan Prasthbhumigalu. So Southern Plateau we can find in South India part. Okay, we can find in the South Indian part. We can find Southern Plateau means ದಕ್ಕನ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಭಾರತದ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. And the fifth one is coastal plains. Coastal plains. ಕರಾವಳಿಯ ತೀರಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಕರಾವಳಿಯ ಬಯಲುಗಳು. And the last one is island or Iceland. Okay, so these are all the 6 physical divisions of India. 6 physical divisions of India. So what we learned, ಭಾರತವನ್ನು 6 ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಾಗಿ ಭೌತಿಕವಾಗಿ ವಿಂಗಡಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಉತ್ತರದ ಪರ್ವತಗಳು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಉತ್ತರದ ಬಯಲುಗಳು, ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮರುಭೂಮಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶ. fifth one is coastal lines, ಕರಾವಳಿಯ. fourth one is, what is the fourth one? It is a southern plateau, is ದಕ್ಷಿಣದ ದಕ್ಕನ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿ. and what is the fifth one is ಕರಾವಳಿ ತೀರ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳು. and sixth one is Iceland or island, ಹಾಗೆಂದರೆ ದ್ವೀಪಗಳು. so these are all the 6 physical divisions of India. We'll move to next. Land of diversity. India can truly be said that the land of diversity. Diversity is not only seen its physical division but also among the people living in it. Here the people follow different religion, culture, language and social traditions. People of India speak many different languages. Out of the language spoken in India is 23 have been recognized by the Constitution as the official languages. Despite the diversity among the people of India, unity can be seen which stand them united under one name, Indian. So here we came across the name as Land of Diversity. As I said earlier as well as in the earlier class, what is the land of diversity? So ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿವಿಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಭಾರತವು ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದೇಶ. So like that we see in 6 physical divisions of India, we can see the different types or different cultures in India. We can see that. So this is a land of diversity. ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಭೌತಿಕವಾಗಿ 6 ವಿಧವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧತೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. That they are going to tell us. Okay. So what are all the land of diversity in India? So land of diversity means, as you know, it's a ವಿವಿಧತೆ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. So in that we can see the diversity in the speaking, we can see in religion. There is a different religions in India, and also there is a different religion. People are living in India for the different religion, culture, and also their language and social tradition. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತಹ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ. ಈ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ವಿವಿಧತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾತು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವಿವಿಧತೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು? ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ they are going to use different languages in India. There is a 29 official language in India. There is a 29 official language in India which is recognized by the Constitution of India. ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವು 29 ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಅಂಗೀಕರಿಸಿದೆ. That they are going to tell us. Cut ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, sorry, it's not 29. Actually, 29 states in India. 29 states in India. There is a 23 official language in India. There is a 23 official language in India which is recognized by the Constitution of India. Means ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದಿಂದ ಅಂಗೀಕರಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಭಾಷೆಗಳು 23 ಭಾಷೆಗಳು. So for example, we know, right, in India we are using different types of languages like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, Odisha, Odia, Bengali, so Gujarati, different types of language we are using. So that's why they told us India is a land of diversity. And also Indian culture, we know, right, for example, we are using here different culture, North Indian using different culture. So ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಅನುಸರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಉತ್ತರ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಅವರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಭಾರತವು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ರೂಪುರೇಷೆಗಳು, ಅವರ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ಟೆಯ ವಿಧಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವರ ತಿನಿಸುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ತಿಂಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ತಿನ್ನುವ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಲಿಜನ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, so this is about India is our land, is our country. Let's summarize few points. So what we learned, India is our land, is our country, and it's a very beautiful country, and it's a very large country, and it's a land of diversity. What we studied today, what we studied in India is our land and country. What we studied about the locations of India, and we studied about the political divisions of India, we studied about the physical divisions of India, and also we studied about the land of diversity. I request you all, please go through this Indian map and please observe this map and try to remember the states of India, which are all the states where it is located. See, for example, this is Karnataka, here we are actually, so this is Maharashtra, this is Telangana, this is Andhra Pradesh. See, here you can see the Jammu and Kashmir. So this is the Jammu and Kashmir. So here you can see the Indian Ocean, so here you can see the Bay of Bengal, and this is Arabian Sea. Okay, you can see this. And also they have given some exercise to you. So first one is multiple choice question. So here they are given answer also. You can select and you can fill the answer. And next one is the fill in the blanks. Here also they have given answer. You go through this lesson, you will get answer definitely, and you fill in the blanks. And next one is match the following. Match the following is very easy. They have given all answer. You can just match it. And next, answer the following that you are going to cover in the worksheet. And next, what they have given. Why is the government necessary to run a country? Describe the important unity in India diversity. So think and answer. You should think on this. Just you need to think. And next one is more to do Google Map activity. Name the neighboring countries in India. They have given some activities to you. You just write the neighboring country. This is India, right? So this is our country. ಸೊ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೇಬರಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಭಾರತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಭಾರತದ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ದೇಶದ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚೈನಾ, ರಷ್ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ India is our land, is our country. I hope you have completed this chapter. I hope you are answering these all questions and be prepared with your notes. Thank you so much.